Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11. So first, all you have to do is to look for the specific folder that you want to protect, you want to create a lock, and you don't want anyone to easily open this. Let's just say you have important files. So what you're going to do here is you have to simply right click and then go to properties. Here you will see some options, but you just have to go directly to advanced button. And then you have to scroll down here and then click this encrypt contents to secure data. You can untick other boxes here, but you have to click this encrypt contents to secure data. Click OK. And then after that, you have to click apply. Now you will have your options. So you just have to click the second one, click OK, and then wait as it is processing. Once done, what you're going to do next is tap OK again. Then if you go back, you will see this lock icon right here. That means if someone wants to open your folder, they cannot open it easily. And as you can see, I can open this because I am the admin. Now, if someone is not the admin or if someone is not the administrator on this computer and they try to access this, they cannot because it has a lock icon right here. So basically, that's how to lock a folder here in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.